Hello dear viewers, I hope you have seen my previous video when I explained how to make home cinema in your bathroom. And today I found out that this very nice phone holder can work as a sound amplifier. Let me demonstrate it. I will switch on some music and you will see how it works. So you see that when I put the phone inside this phone holder, sounds became a bit louder, which can be useful if you don't have enough sound from phone itself. And thank you for watching. See you.